miles
Marine
until
warning,
7 p.m. Eastern
and it's for
Daylight
Angora
Time.
Tarpon.
It's 6:17
Wow.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm
Okay.
was located near Venice Inlet, moving west at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34
Wait.
knots or greater.
Other stations I can get.
Expect wind gusts.
There's
in excess of
KT38, I'm
34
counting.
knots.
Not WWG.
And heavy downpours.
What's the other stations
all
in
aboard
Unity?
are wearing- M9 Reef.
Okay.
M7 Reef.
It does
Venice,
not count for
M8 Reef.
two.
M17 Reef. Len Silvertooth Reef. Big Sarasota Pass. M10 Reef. M5 Reef. Bob Johnson Reef. M16 Reef. M3 Reef. And Englewood. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters.
I know it's Marine Morning. Let's go. 3 stations.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.
Let's go.
From Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 28 nautical miles.
Lucky.
30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I knew it.
Severe thunderstorms producing water spouts were located.
Oh no, it's a water spout observed.
And extending 26 nautical miles southwest of Waukee to near Pascagoula Channel to Indian Rock Beach, moving west at 15 knots. Hazard: water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: water spouts can capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Treasure Island Reef, Clearwater Pass, Manatee 7 Mile South Reef, Clearwater Beach, Indian Shore Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, Madeira Beach Reef, Pascagoula Reef, Indian Rocks Beach, Manatee 7 Mile North Reef, and Johns Pass. Your coastal waters. Suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations include Cedar Key and Young Town. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Now it's for
The current time is
SMW again. Here we go. Oh ho ho! 3-2 activated on the WWG 59. Oh my god! Oh my god! He activated. Let's go! I'm gonna check Iron Bod right now. Yup, Englewood to Tarpon. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 382 activated on WWG 59. It's gonna have a bad single, but oh, sorry. Thanks, 120. Oh, sorry. What? Oh my god, let's go. What the heck? What the? Marine warning. Oh! What the heck? Whoa! What? Where's this? Where's this from? Where? Englewood, Tarpon Springs, Swanee River.
coastal waters.
Let's go! MD31 con activated for KC38. Let's go! Oh my God! Let's go! This was only on KC3. Nice! Nice! Oh my God, TBW.
Enclosed Key, Tarpon Springs, and Dunedin.
Oh my God! Wow!